First sum 100. 1, 0, 0. This is 100. Minus 1. I have to do minus 1 over here. Can you do minus 1 directly? No. Small friend. No minus 1. Plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 is there. But minus 5 is not there. That means directly not there. Small friend not there. Now what I have to do? Big friend. Big friend 1 means I will take this hand. Minus 1. For minus 1 what you will do? Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. But minus 10 is not there. Can you see minus 10 directly? No. If you can't do minus 10, take small minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 10 is same. No minus 1. Plus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 is again not there. That means directly minus 10 is not there. Small friend not there. So what you will do? Big friend. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. What you do for minus 1? Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to do here? Minus 10 plus 9. So minus 10 is done and 9 directly. That is 99. Short zoom. Second sum 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Add to minus 2. Now can you do minus 2 directly? No. Directly no. Small friend for minus 2. No minus 2. Plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3 is there. But minus 5 not there. That means directly not there. Minus 2 directly not there. Small friend not there. So what you will do? Big friend for minus 2. This hand. For minus 2 what you do? Minus 10 plus 8. 5 and 3, 8. Minus 10 plus 8. Now can you do minus 10 directly? No. Directly minus 10 is not there. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 is there. But minus 5 is not there. That means minus 10. For minus 10 what you have to do? Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. So minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. I have to do minus 2. Minus 10 plus what I will add now? Minus 10 is already done. I will add 5 and 3, 8. That is 98. Short zoom. Third sum 1, 0, 0. Now to minus 3. Now minus 3 directly not there. Small friend. No minus 3. Plus 2 minus 5. But minus 5 is not there. That means directly minus 3 is not there. Small friend not there. So big friend for minus 3 I will take this hand. For minus 3 what you do? Minus 10 plus 7. Minus 10 plus 7. 7 is there. But minus 10 is there. Minus 10 directly not there. Now small friend minus 10. No minus 10. No minus 1 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. Plus 4 is there. But minus 5 not there. That means directly minus 10 is not there. Small friend not there. For big friend minus 1 what you do? Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now minus 3. Minus 3 what you will add? Minus 10 plus 7. Minus 10 is already done. I'll add 7. That is 97. Short zoom. Fourth sum 1, 0, 0. Now to minus 4. Minus 4 directly not there. Now do minus 4 small friend. No minus 4. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 is there. But minus 5 not there. That means directly minus 4 not there. Small friend minus 4 not there. So big friend for minus 4 is this hand. For minus 10 what? Minus 4 what you do? Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6. But minus 10 here directly not there. Small friend minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. That means directly minus 10 not there. Small friend not there. So where you will go for big friend minus 10. Minus 10 minus 1 is same. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? Plus 6. Plus 6. That is 96. Sum. 1, 0, 0. Now add to minus 5. Minus 5 directly not there. Small friend not there. For big friend what you do? Minus 10 plus 5. Minus 10 is not there. So no minus 10. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. For minus 10 what you do? Plus 4 minus 5. But minus 5 is not there. Now what you will do for minus 10? Minus 1 and minus 10 is same. For big friend, minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? Minus 10 plus 5. 5 is direct. That is 95. Short zone. 6 sum. 1, 0, 0. Add to minus 6. Minus 6 directly not there. For minus 6 what you do? Show me minus 6. 5 and 1, 6. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. But minus 10 directly not there. For minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Minus 10 directly not there. Small friend minus 10, no, minus 4. Plus 4 minus 5. But minus 5 is not there. So for minus 10 what you do? Big friend. Big friend for minus 10 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to do for minus 6? Minus 10 plus 4. 4 is direct. That is 94. Next sum. 1, 0, 0. Now to minus 7. Directly minus 7 is not there. Show me minus 7. Minus 7 means minus 10 plus 3. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend for minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. But minus 5 is not there. For minus 1 and minus 10 is same. For minus 10 what you do for big friend? Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? 3. 3 is direct. That is 93. Short zone. 1, 0, 0. Now to minus 8. Now can you do minus 8 directly? No. Minus 8 directly is not there. Show me minus 8, 5 and 3, 8. Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend for minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 is not there. Big friend for minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. Now what I have to do? Minus 8. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I am going to add? Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. That is 92. Short zone. 1, 0, 0. Add to minus 9. Directly minus 9 not there. Show me minus 9. Minus 10 plus 1. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend you do for minus 1 and minus 10 is same. Plus 4 minus 5. But minus 5 is not there. That means big friend for minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? 1. 1 is direct. That is 91. Page number 22. Long zoom. First sum 36. 30 directly. 6 directly. 94. 9. Can you add 9 directly? No. Who is the friend of 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. 4. Directly not there. Small friend not there. Big friend for 4. Minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10. Minus 31. Minus 30 directly. Minus 1. Directly not there. Small friend minus 1 plus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 not there. Small friend not there. So big friend for minus 1, this hand. Minus 1, abacus wala hath. Minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. But minus 10 directly not there. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. No minus 1. Plus 4 minus 5. That means minus 5 not there. Directly minus 1 not there. Small friend not there. Big friend minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? Minus 10 is done. What I have to add? 9. 9 is direct. That is 99. Short zoom. Second sum 79. 70 directly. 9 directly. 37. Can you add 3 directly? No. Small friend? No. Big friend? 3. Minus 7 plus 10. Minus 7 plus 10. 7. Directly not there. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3 plus 10. Minus 3 plus 10. Minus 1, 8, 18. Minus 10 directly. Minus 8. Directly not there. Show me minus 8. Minus 10 plus 2. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend not there. Big friend for minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. For 8, minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? 2. 2 is direct. That is 98. Short zoom. Third sum 21. 20 directly, 1 directly. 89. Can you add 8 directly? No. Who is the friend of 8? Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10. I have to add 9. Can you add 9 directly? No. Who is the friend of 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1, 5, 15. Minus 10 directly. Minus 5. Directly minus 5 not there. Small friend not there. For big friend minus 10 plus 5. But minus 10 directly not there. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. No minus 1. Plus 4 minus 5. That means directly minus 10 not there. Small friend not there. Big friend minus 10. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now minus 10 is done. What are going to add? 5. Minus 10 plus 5. 5 is direct. That is 95. Short zoom. Fourth sum 95. 90 directly, 5 directly. Add 1, 7, 17. Can you add 1 directly? No. Small friend? No. Big friend? 1. Minus 9 plus 10. Minus 9 plus 10. Now 7. Can you add 7 directly? No. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3 plus 10. Can you do minus 3 directly? No. No minus 3 plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. What you will do? Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Minus 1, 8, 18. Minus 10 directly. Minus 8. Minus 8 directly not there. Show me minus 8. Minus 10 plus 2. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend not there. Big friend minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. For minus 8, minus 10 is done. Now what you are going to add? 2. 2 is direct. That is 94. Short zoom. Fifth sum 54. 50 directly, 4 directly. I have to add 58. Can you add 5 directly? No. Small friend? No. For big friend 5. 5 ka friend 5. Minus 5 plus 10. I have to add 8. Can you add 8 directly? No. Who is the friend of 8? Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 1, 5, 15. Minus 10 directly. Minus 5. Can you do minus 5 directly? No. Or for minus 5, what you have to do? Minus 10 plus 5. But minus 10 directly, not there. Small friend, not there. So big friend for minus 1, minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? 5. 5 is direct. That is 97. Rest of the sum you will do now itself. Page number 23. First sum 26. 20 directly, 6 directly. Add to 87. Can you add 8 directly? No. Who is the friend of 8? Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10. 7. Can you add 7 directly? No. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3 plus 10. Minus 3 is there. Directly minus 3 not there. So no minus 3. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Minus 1, 5, 15. Can you do minus 1, 5, 15 directly? Yes. Minus 10 directly. Minus 5. Can you do minus 5 directly? No. Small friend, no. So what you will do? Minus 10 plus 5. But minus 10 directly, not there. Small friend, minus 1. Minus 10 and minus 1 is same. Minus 1 not there. Small friend, not there. So minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. For minus 5, minus 10 is done. Now what am I going to add? 5. 5 is done. That is 98. Short zoom. Second sum 42. 40 directly, 2 directly. Add to it 9, 0, 90. 9 directly not there. Who is the friend of 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. 0. Now add to it minus 38. Minus 38. Minus 30 directly. Minus 8. Directly minus 8 is not there. For minus 8 what do you? Minus 10 plus 2. But minus 10 directly not there. That means minus 1 directly not there. Minus 1 directly not there. Small friend not there. So big friend for minus 1 minus 10 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. For 8 minus 10 is done. Now what I am going to add? 2. 2 is done. That is 94. Third sum 63. 60 directly, 3 directly. 78. Can you add 7 directly? No. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3 plus 10. But minus 3 directly not there. So no minus 3. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Add 8. Can you add 8 directly? No. Who is the friend of 8? Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10. Now add to minus 43. So minus 40 directly. Minus 3. Directly minus 3 not there. Small friend, no minus 3. Plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 is not there. That means small friend not there. For minus 3, small friend not there. So big friend minus 3 this hand. For minus 3 what you will do? Minus 10 plus 7. Minus 10 plus 7. But minus 10 directly not there. Small friend not there. For minus 10 and minus 1 is same. For minus 1 and minus 10 this hand. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Now minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add for minus 3? Minus 10 is done. What I have to add? 7. 7 is correct. That is 98. Short zoom. Fourth sum 1880. 10 directly, 8 directly. I have to add 92. 9 directly not there. Who is the friend of 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. 2 directly not there. Small friend not there. Big friend. 2 means minus 8 plus 10. Minus 8 plus 10. Now add to minus 1, 5, 15. Minus 10 directly. Minus 5. Directly minus 5 not there. For minus 5 what you will do? Minus 10 plus 5. But minus 10 directly not there. That means directly minus 1 not there. Small friend not there. Big friend for minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. For minus 5, minus 10 is already done. Minus 10 plus 5. 5 is correct. That is 95. Short zoom. Fifth sum 84. 80 directly, 4 directly. 56. Can you add 5 directly? No. Small friend? No. So 5 ka friend 5 minus 5 plus 10. I have to add 6. Can you add 6 directly? No. So 5 and 1 6. Who is the friend of 6? Minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 plus 10. Now I have to minus 41. Minus 40 directly. Minus 1. Directly minus 1 not there. Small friend not there. Big friend for minus 1 this hand. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10. 9 is there but minus 10 directly not there. Small friend not there. So big friend for minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. That means minus 10 is done. Minus 10 is done. Now what I have to add? I have to add 9 minus 1. Minus 1 is done. Minus 10 is done. So what I have to add? 9. 9 is correct. That is 99. Rest of the sum you will do now itself. Page number 24. Mental sums. First 11 sum I am doing. 11 sum is 7. 7 is direct. 40. 40. It became 47. How much is this? 47. I have to add 3. Can you add 3 over here directly? No. Small friend? No. Big friend for 3 is minus 7 plus 10. Minus 7 plus 10. Plus 10 directly? Not there. For 1 what you will do? Plus 5 minus 4. Plus 5 minus 4. How much is this? 50. Now I have to add 7 over here. Can you add 7 directly? No. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3. Minus 3 not there. So what you will do? Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 10 means touching the tip. So what is your answer? Touching the tip is 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. 13th sum. 64. 64. Correct. 1. 1 means plus 5 minus 4. How much is this? 65. Now I have to add 80 over here. Can you add it directly? No. Who is the friend of 8? Minus 2 plus 10. But minus 2 directly not there. So what you will do? No, minus 2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. I have to add 5. 5 over here. Directly minus 5 not there. So what you will do? Minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10. Now can you do 10 directly? No. For 1 what you do? Plus 5 minus 4 plus 5. Plus 5 means up. This tip should be pointed. 5 should be seen. 1. 5 plus 5 minus 4. Now I am doing what I am doing is I am showing 5 and I am touching the tip. I am touching the tip because this 4 is closed. Minus 4 plus 5 minus 4. But this way is closed. So I keep this way and I am touching the tip. So touching the tip is 1. Pointer is 5. And this is 0. 1, 5, 0. 15th sum 5. 2, 0, 20. How much is this? 25. 3, 28. Now I have to add 6 over here. Can you add 6 directly? Yes. 5 and 1, 6. 6 is direct. 7. 7 over here. 67. 7 means directly not there. Minus 3 plus 10. So how much is this? 95. 18th sum. 4, 74. I have to add 9 over here. Can you add 9 directly? No. So minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. How much is this? 83. How much is this? 83. Now I have to add 37. Now I have to add 3 over here. Directly not there. Small friend not there. For 3 what you will do? Minus 7 plus 10. Minus 7 plus 10. I have to add 7 over here. Directly not there. Who is the friend of 7? Minus 3 plus 10. So what is my answer? Touching the tip is 100. 2. 1 touching. 2 and 0. 1, 2, 0. Sum number 20. 2. 1 5 15. 1 and 5 15. 1 7 17. 4 directly not there. Small friend not there. Big friend minus 6 plus 10. How much is this? 21. Now I have to add 9 over here. Can you add 9 directly? No. Who is the friend of 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. Touching the tip. 1. So what is my answer? Touching the tip is 1. And this is 1. 1. Touching the tip. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Rest of the sum we will do now itself.